Hi everyone, this is Suryavi. Welcome back to my channel. So right now I am going to Raghurajpur. It is a heritage crafts village which is located near Puri. It is only 14 kilometers away from Puri. So right now I am going to Raghurajpur and I will show you the place and I will tell you more about the place. So please stay tuned. Oh my god, the sky looks really beautiful, isn't it? We left at around 11 a.m. and I woke up at 9 a.m. today. So we left at around 11 a.m. and now we are on the way to Raghurajpur. And I am going to Raghurajpur, which means you all are going with me. I will show you all everything. I will tell you all more about the place, and also I will try to share the map link in the description box below. Okay, so we are going to take this right turn. On the blue board, you can see it's written Raghurajpur is only 0.3 kilometer. So yes, we have reached. Here is the main gate. We'll have to enter from here and wait, I'll try to zoom. Okay, so here it's written Raghurajpur, the heritage village. It is the heritage crafts village. So let us go inside. Let us see what they have for us. Okay, so Raghurajpur is best known for its Pattachitra artwork. I will tell you all about this Pattachitra artwork later on. So first, let me show you this temple. This is a temple. This is a Hindu temple. So yes, this village has two streets with over 100 houses decorated with mural paintings. So here on the right hand side you can see many houses, and the painters live here only in these houses, and then they practice their artwork and they sell products. They sell their artwork and craft work. So yes, this is the temple I was talking about. So right now we are on the right side of the street. We will go to the left side after some time. This village has become a major rural tourist destination of Orissa. So let us go inside one of the houses and see what they have for us. Okay, so you can see that this girl is painting on a bottle kind of a thing, and they live here only, and they paint and then they sell these items. So let us go inside. He is so well behaved. Not only him, but everyone out here is very well behaved. They are very polite and they are very friendly. So he wants to show us his paintings, and I will see his paintings now and I will show you all.
मैं पेंटिंग आपको दिखाता हूँ।
ये छोड़ दीजिए ना पंखा।
पंखा लाइट नहीं है, मैं ये बैटरी में लगाया है।
ठीक है,
गाँव में
ठीक है।
8-10 घंटा लाइन चल, मतलब जाए अभी आएगा, फिर 2 घंटा रहेगा, फिर कट जाएगा, ऐसा होता है। ये टाउन में लाइन पूरा कांस्टेंट रहता है, लेकिन गाँव में से ये गणेश है, ये ट्राइबल पेंट है।
नमस्ते मैडम। नमस्ते।
ये ट्राइबल पेंट है, ये भी ट्राइबल है। ये सरस्वती है, ये जगन्नाथ है, जगन्नाथ ट्री। ये राधा कृष्ण। हमने 5 कलर से पेंटिंग करते हैं। वो 5 कलर है, व्हाइट सी सेल है, ब्लैक स्मोक है, इसको छोड़ के सारे और 3 कलर है। वही हार्टल स्टोन, हिंगल स्टोन, ब्लू स्टोन। हार्टल स्टोन से येलो होता है, ब्लू स्टोन से ब्लू बनता है, हिंगल स्टोन से लाल बनता है। ये टोटल 5 कलर से पेंटिंग करते हैं सर। अब देख सकते हैं ये गौड़ गणेश का पिक्चर भी देख सकते हैं। सरस्वती, ये माता दुर्गा, बुद्ध, ये दुर्गा, ये दुर्गा, ये नौका
বাঁধাবে না পেন্টিং এ
फ्रेमिंग करें बहुत अच्छा है। तो
गणेश আছে নাকি দেখ
गणेश भी है, गणेश है। ये बुद्ध, राधा कृष्ण,
বিষ্ণু নাকি ওই তো
लक्ष्मी, अशोक, लक्ष्मी। ये का यूनिक गणेश है, ये बंशीधारी गणेश है
বংশীধারী গণেশ
जी। ये फेमस है बहुत। राधा कृष्ण, हनुमान,
এটা তো
सरस्वती, ये बंशीधारी गणेश।
এই
उसका
সমস্ত কাপড়ের উপরেও করে সব হ্যাঁ
এটা খুব ভালো লাগে বলে
ये नटराज शिव जी।
This thing costs 150 rupees and he has more like this which cost more. So yes. Okay, so let me tell you more about these paintings. So these are called Pattachitra paintings and these are made over a piece of cloth or a dried palm leaf which is first painted with a mixture of chalk and gum, and then after the preparation is done, over the prepared surface, colorful and intricate pictures of various gods, goddesses, and mythological scenes are painted. So these are all Pattachitra paintings and these are really beautiful. You can buy these and you can frame these and keep these in your house. Okay, so I'm going to enter into another house or you can say another shop. So not only Pattachitra paintings, here you will also find many more items like stone carvings, wooden toys, wood carvings, and many more actually. So here you can see the things which are available. Almost all the shops have the same things, okay, just the paintings are different. So this is another painting which looks really colorful, very beautiful this is. Okay, so here let me show you, these are some wooden boxes on the right hand side you can see. So we are planning to buy some things from here. Let's see what we buy. Hi, so right now I'm standing in front of a shop. There are many shops out here and all the shops have similar items. So it is my request that if you ever come to Puri, then you must visit this place. There is so much talent out here.
এই তোমার বোন যে কাজটা করে রাষ্ট্রপতি পুরস্কার পেয়েছে ওটা ওকে বলো চলো ভিডিও করো।
এই কাজের জন্য আমার বোনকেও রাষ্ট্রপতি পুরস্কার মিলেছে। এটা তালপাতার উপরে নিজের দিকে খোদাই হয়েছে, তারপরে আমরা কাজল ভরা হয়েছে। এটা একটা ইউনিক আর্ট।
আপনার নাম কি আর বোনের নাম কি?
আমার নাম সচিকান্ত সাউ, বোনের নাম হচ্ছে গীতাঞ্জলি সাউ।
ভেরি গুড, খুব সুন্দর।
Okay, so here is another temple. Let me show you the temple. We saw one temple while entering and this is another one. So two temples we saw. Okay, guys, so let me tell you something that there is so much of talent in this village. One trip to this place, and you will definitely feel amazed, like I am feeling. So much to learn from everyone, and so little time. It is a fact that the artists of Raghurajpur are struggling. So, if you visit this place, then please purchase something to support the highly skilled people and save their craft from becoming extinct. So now we will have coconut water, and then we will leave the place. Okay, so we left Raghurajpur, and like I said, if you ever come to this place, then you must purchase something from them in order to support them. We also purchased some items, and now we are going back to our hotel, and we will have lunch, and tomorrow we are going to go back to Kolkata. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.